Thought I'd mention this battery box once more. I've had this one just over a year. I had to take the first one back. It wouldn't hold a charge. I don't know what happened to it. It's lead acid batteries inside apparently. But this one's been good so far. I like it. This battery box powers all my lighting for the cabin. I like it. It's 600 watts. And I'm using up about 34 watts with the lighting that I have in here, so as you can imagine that would probably power my lights for 12 hours. Maybe longer, I'm not sure. I haven't figured out the math. But anyways, I like it. The only thing that's weird about it is the gauge is wrong. It's always on 0. I have no idea why. Except for when you charge it, it says 100%. But other than that, everything else is 0. It should be telling me how many watts I'm using, not 0. Anyways, it's fine. It's a great little box. I've boosted the car with it as well. I don't know what else I can say about it. They're not expensive. They're less than $300. I've used some light power tools like a jigsaw with it. Yeah, I like it. These are some of the wooden butter spreading knives I've made lately. You could spread butter with them, cream cheese, maybe a cheese ball. They're made of hardwood, hand carved. I didn't use any power tools on these. The 2 over here are sold. I'm going to be delivering them today. The person that bought them lives fairly close to me. They're pretty cool. Easy to make. I'm going to probably make a few more. Try and sell them off. They have fairly decent grain to them. They're nice and hard. I'm not sure what kind of wood this is. Definitely hardwood. They should last a long time. This one here I might keep for myself. What do you think? Should I keep one for myself? All packed up. Let's go deliver them. And just like that, I'm home again. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it.